Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to parry in Expedition 33. To parry in the game, you only have to press RB on the Xbox controller or E on the keyboard if you're playing mouse and keyboard. Parrying is not as simple as it looks, as it can make or break your entire team. You have to parry at the right time to nullify any damage that's about to be done to an expeditioner or even everyone in the expedition. If you're having trouble with knowing when to parry the attacks, we have a video of it in the channel about how to know when to parry in Expedition 33. Do keep in mind that there are many more mechanics that are similar to parry in the game. There's the gradient counter and the more forgiving ability to dodge an attack, as it can offer you a wider range of dodging an attack. And that's how to parry in Expedition 33.